It's so great to be with the National Hispanic Christian Leadership Conference. We're going to do a lot of things if I get elected president. We're going to bring back jobs, and that you understand. The world is taking our jobs, and we've got to stop it. We're going to take care of minority unemployment. It's a huge problem. It's really unfair to minorities, and we are going to solve that problem, and it's going to be solved once and for all. We're going to create good schools, and I mean in some cases, hopefully, great schools, and really safe communities, because our communities in many cases are not safe, which is very, very unfair to Hispanics and frankly everybody else. We're going to do massive tax cuts, especially for the middle class, and people that are poor are going to pay nothing. They're struggling, it's tough, and under my plan, which is filed under DonaldJTrump.com, you're going to see it's nothing, absolutely nothing. You're going to get it, you're going to go out, we're going to bring back jobs, you're going to start paying taxes after you're making a lot of money, and hopefully that's going to be soon. We're going to make great, great trade deals, so important. The world is laughing at us right now. We're losing our jobs, we're losing so much, whether it's China or whether it's Japan or whether it's so many other countries. Our trade deals are horrendous, and that's where we're losing our jobs. That's going to end. We're going to stop drugs from pouring into our country. We're going to strengthen our borders. People are going to come into our country, but they're going to come in through a process. They'll come in legally, but we're going to stop the drugs, and we are going to curb our debt. Our debt is a disaster. We owe right now $19 trillion. It's got to stop. By the way, the $19 trillion is going up to $21 trillion very, very soon. So we have to curb our debt, and we will do that. I just want to thank everybody. We're going to be working very hard. It's not going to be easy, but I'm going to win, and we're going to take care of everybody. Our country is going to be unified for the first time in a long time. And again, I just want to thank the whole group and all of the committees that asked me to do this. National Hispanic Christian, 3 great words. We're going to take care of you. We're going to work with you. You're going to be very happy. You're going to like President Trump.